we're taking our first ever tour after the cruise because we have a late flight. So we're getting a driving tour through town, and we just came here to where the battleground was for the Spanish-American War. There's the fort, and then in the walls you'll see the little cutouts. That's where they had the cannons. This took place right here, and then this used to be an army field, and then or army post, and then this was turned into an 8-hole golf course for a while, and now it's just a green. So we're gonna go walk around for a little bit. We got about 25 minutes here, so we're gonna check the area out. The oldest cemetery in Puerto Rico is right there as well on the other side of that wall. So I'm inside one of the cannon positions right now for the fort, and as you turn around you get a fantastic view of the ocean, but the oldest cemetery in Puerto Rico. Now Puerto Rico has about 3 million people in it, and San Juan has 1 million of them right here. And in the harbor right now is a yacht too that are owned by Jeff Bezos, because apparently they're building a factory or warehouse or distribution center or something like that in one of the nearby cities. So he brought his yacht over here, and he brought a second one just in case one broke down. First world problems, right? Our next stop is at this little pop-up festival. So here in Puerto Rico, they celebrate Christmas the day after Thanksgiving until what, the 20th of January? 20th of January. So they party, hardy. So we're coming around just to look at this area. We got 25 minutes here as well. They got a lot of food, handmade items, snacks, crafts, all kinds of stuff. This festival is right near Columbus Square. And I have a feeling that they probably would have normally dropped you off at where we did get off at, because you can park buses there, just so you had time in Columbus Square. A lot of shops and restaurants and coffee shops and whatever there. So I think this is just a little added bonus to what they normally do. It's a little after 10 in the morning now. It looks like the shops are just now starting to open up here. This is a wide variety. You got candles, you got leather work, you've got woodwork, you've got crocheting, there's food, there's drinks, there's paintings, just a lot of stuff here. It's pretty cool. All the brick that you see around the old town is brought here by the Spaniards. They use it to balance their ships, and then they would take spices and herbs and gold back to Spain. So it would be a 1-for-1 swap. Now stopped at Concado. It's the tourist part of New San Juan. We're out at Old San Juan, and we're heading to the beach. We're going to enjoy some of this little tourist area. This area you don't want to swim in, because apparently it's got a bad undertow, and in the past couple of years there's been 6 tourists that have drowned due to the undertow. So just be safe. If you do have a couple million that you can spare, they're building condos in this area. Most of them are going for $2 to $3 million for a little condo. But look at that view. Puerto Rico has over 600 miles of beaches or coastline, and 347, I believe, was the number of public beaches that they have. We have 30 minutes here. Not sure why we have 30 minutes to go walk to the beach, look at it and come back. I'd rather have had 30 minutes to go somewhere else. But it is what it is, and it's a lot better than waiting in the airport for 6 hours.